Alright, so I'm working on this John Deere 335 mower. Axle seal seems to be leaking, so I'm going to try to take this out. And the only way I can think of maybe trying to do it is I was trying to use a pig and trying to use a screwdriver, like going up in there like that and trying to kind of get it to come out, but that don't seem to be working. So what I'm thinking about doing is taking a screw, a drywall screw, and screwing it right there, and then taking a pair of pliers and kind of pull it out. Might have to do it on both sides or whatever. I'm gonna try to do the top first. That way, if it does leak or whatever, then I can maybe put like silicone or something in there. If it doesn't work out, so I don't have to take this whole thing apart to try to fix it. But anyway, it's not leaking much. It does leak though, so as you can see, it's kind of wettish everywhere. So that's what I'm gonna try and see if that works. Y'all stay tuned. I'll let you know how it turns out, and stay tuned. Alright, so I'm using a different type of screw, one I found, but I've screwed it in there. So now I'm going to take a pair of pliers and find what I did with them. Alright, so I've got my pliers on there just like that, and that's how I'm going to take this out and go from there. So now we got our new seal. Let's see what this part number is. MIU-804314. And so just gonna put this in there, and I got a piece of pipe that I'm gonna slide over to kind of tap this in just like that. So if you got something like that where it won't damage it as bad, hopefully we can get this pushed right back in there and go from there. So if y'all have this problem, or that's a easy tip to get your seal out. I couldn't find any information on the internet on anything how to get this off, so that's how I got it off. And there was another thing on how to get this wheel off. Most of your wheels have a snap ring or whatever to take the whole wheel off. This one has 5 lug nuts or bolts that hold the wheel onto the hub right here, and this hub actually slides on there, but this little plastic cap goes on here, and that was kind of a dog to get that off. As you can see, I kind of boogered it up a little bit, but I'm gonna take the heat gun and kind of bend that back out and then put this back on. It's got a keyway on it, so we'll make sure that's lined up with that slot. And then this fits up on there like that with this little flange. This part goes up under the bottom, and then this part goes onto the actual wheel hub, and then there's a snap ring that holds all this mechanism on there. But anyway, I'm gonna try to get the seal pressed back in there and go from there, and I'll put it all back together, and everything should be good to go from here on out. And y'all stay tuned. Thanks for watching.